right here we have M3 front bumper. We're gonna try and see how we're gonna fit it into this monstrosity. We need to get somehow figure out the dimensions of this guy right here, because this guy's gonna go apparently right in there. So all of that needs to be cut. I don't know, bro. I don't know. We have to figure that out. So I'm gonna have to use a tape measure and, you know, and some pencils, markers. Maybe we'll find out. Let's see how we're gonna get this fitting, because then after that we need to get the headlights sliding into the place. Let's do it. So right there you guys can see, you know, the gap that they have. And honestly, I can even cut this because I don't know what purpose that doing. I don't know, maybe when I put the front bumper then I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, over here you guys can see same thing, pretty good. This is, yep, wobbly. So yeah, I don't know, hopefully that doesn't ruin anything on my end, you know, with the bumper. But so everything else, you know, looks pretty good. And even on the top right up there, honestly I can cut even more just so I can get, you know, more airflow. But yeah, I'll leave it for right now like that, and then we're gonna see what really is gonna happen. Okay, so now after all of that, the next thing it will be the front crash bar. Guess let's try it out. Let's see how that's gonna look, I guess, and then we can try and fit the bumper after that without the headlights. Let's see. I need to remove this guy here because this is for the lights, for the headlight. This is the broken bracket. Let me clear the front crash bar and see, you know, how we're gonna mount that. Let's do it. after a little bit of modification, that much, you know, this is what I found out. So apparently there is these brackets that they go right here on the bottom, which they're actually right there, so you guys can see them. Yeah, they don't really align that good, but I mean, it will do the job. So this hole right there aligned, this hole kind of aligned, and then these two tabs, those tabs are just holding the, you know, the metal bracket to the bumper, and this gets more sturdy, you know, to attach to the fender instead of just, you know, plastic. Then coming on this side, we have the same thing. This one here I kinda screw up when I was cutting it, and yeah, but I mean, right now you guys can see this one kind of aligns, this one same thing, but you know, like I said, it will do the job. I mean, if I really want, I can do a self topper right here or something, you know. Still have, I have yeah, man, I'm retarded. Yeah, I can figure something out right there. So now it's the moment. See if we can be able to make this fit. Oh, and the screws, I don't really have the screws. So I guess I need to go and get some screws, which is weird, because yeah, this is the type of the screw that I need to put in, and I found this guy that's, you know, kind of close, but all of the other ones are like small, you know. I don't know, it's weird. Only those two screws are being, I mean, they're like similar. So apparently the bumper goes with something like that. I don't know, crazy. I mean, I even got the brackety thing, you know, like this guy right here, where, you know, you can put this on the outside and bolt the outside, and then just put a ribbon on that, and then basically it's gonna be, you know, this guy right there, you know what I mean, and then another one on the bottom, and then just a quick loop. So that's gonna be a quick release basic kind of type of thing. And then on the front we're gonna have these 4 screws, and then everything's gonna be good to go. So yeah, we'll see if we're gonna do that. Kind of debating. So yeah, I mean, if I can use the original, you know, bolts and hoses, seems like that's the way to go. But like I said, we'll see, because I was kind of more into the M2 bumper, which is more aggressive, but M3 bumper, it will do the job. So okay, so now the, you know, the moment has come. Let's see if actually we can make it to fit and how actually it's gonna look. So let's do it. Well, check it out. Boom. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Yeah. It is definitely getting there. I'm not gonna lie. Just like, look at it. Look at how aggressive that looks. Oh, yeah. I mean, I really think that the hood actually makes the aggressiveness. Bumper, I mean, yeah, it's okay. I mean, I don't know. Not a big fan of it. Like I said, the M2, that one was the goal, but you know, seems like it's out of the budget. I mean, I'm trying to hit a certain amount, you know, of money that put in this project, and for right now, I think this is gonna do it. I mean, later on, we might swap it, you know, and put those quick connects, so you can basically, you know, have 2 bumpers. Just drive to your garage, come in, just quick pit stop, boom, boom, and then put the M2 and then go out, you know? And then next time when you go out, you just come in, you know, again, boom, boom, swap it, and then, you know, do this look. Boom, right there, you know, M3 look. So I don't know, we'll see if we can make it. Pretty cool. I still need to get this trim, you know, trim here. Headlights, man, we have to see how we can fit those headlights. And then the 2 kidney grills right here, we need to get those as well. These guys right there, those we need to get as well. Yeah, and I think that's about it. I mean, I can get those fenders right there, those splashes, but I think honestly almost there. I don't think so, like buying like parts and stuff, because I'm like, oh yeah, I'm almost there, I'm almost, you know, good to go, and then boom, nope, it's not it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I think I already said that. And the most important thing is, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So see you on the next one. Ciao.